Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax with the 1.4 liter engine in it, and we are going to go over how you would change out your ignition coil. So the ignition coil is located under this cover, and it is an ignition coil that powers all 4 cylinders. So if that goes bad, you replace the whole unit. So to start with, we pop the hood. We are able to get down in here, and then we need to pop this little cover off, and you just pop it up, and then once you've got it popped up and raised, then you can be able to pop the back of it off. And this is the unit that we are going to replace, is this whole ignition coil unit. We also have disconnected the negative battery post so that we don't have any issues there. So we have this connector here that you need to unhook by pulling the tab back, and then you can depress the button there and unhook that connector. And then we have 2 T30 screws here to remove. So remove the 2 T30 screws, and now you can just pull up on this and work the ignition coil unit out with all the boots intact and be able to get your new one. So you simply take the new one and be able to insert it over the spark plugs, depress it down, and then take your long bolts and tighten them snugged up. So we have tightened the bolts up. Then make sure you take your electric connector and connect it on until it clicks. Put your safety lock in, and then you'll be able to, then we can put our cover back on if we have it, and snap that back into place. And so that's how you would replace your ignition coil on your 2019 Chevy Trax with the 1.4 liter turbo motor in it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.